What is going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Zach's Vlogs. My name is Zach, and today we have a thunderstorm. Someone just now, right over there. Thunderstorm in Palm Springs. You don't really get many of those. So I'm just out here with my dad. We're sitting out here watching a thunderstorm. Ooh, I won't say much because I'm listening to the thunder. Daddy, are you okay with being on YouTube?
I just don't want a picture of me on there.
Oh. Well, with the light, you're pretty silhouetted.
If you focus on that side of the sky, it's about ready for another, maybe we'll get another big one that goes all the way across the sky like we just saw.
Maybe. I'll get your voice on video, I just won't get you on video. Is that alright?
That's great.
Alright.
I'm going to catch a big one going across the sky. They're really pretty, like fireworks.
Yeah. Earth's natural fireworks.
Yeah, Mother Nature. These clouds have made it very humid though, huh?
Definitely. The house is so pretty at night. Don't you think?
I do. While we wait for the next one, maybe you can talk about the hawk.
Yeah, sure, no problem. Well, that one was good. So, a couple of nights ago, Daddy found a hawk, and it flew straight into the window right there, and then it landed in a pool, and then Daddy got it with a fishing net, and then, didn't it go somewhere?
Yeah, I saw it across the street today, so it's still doing good.
Good. I heard the gate over there. Is it closed?
Should be.
Want me to go check?
It's okay. Comes Lucy.
Yeah, well, just in case, I'm going to check.
You gotta be careful because you don't have shoes on.
Oh,
We
yeah.
haven't cleaned up after Lucy.
Oh, that'd be funny. So it'd be best not to go over there. Ooh,
Did you get that?
got it, yeah. And the lights are going out.
It's about time to go to bed.
True. But I don't know if that's, a thunderstorm move.
It's pretty far away because the thunder hits so far after the lightning.
True. Ooh. And you guys hear that? That is just beautiful. Relaxing too. If only this camera could see what my eyes could see, because your eyes are just so much more, like, in-depth, I guess, than a camera is. Ooh. I'm just getting flashes. I'm not getting the actual lightning.
Maybe your lens is dirty.
No, it can't be that. Haven't even touched the lens.
Alright, well maybe one more and then we'll call it a night because that's a long vlog.
I've done longer. Seriously, I have. If you check on my channel, I've done like
Oh, I see your channel all the time.
16-minute vlog. You know, you should like make a vlog channel, Daddy.
Mm-hmm. You can show me how.
Okay. Ooh. I got that.
It's funny, they seem to be going across the sky instead of down.
Yeah. Let's see if we can get one more. I'm not saying much this vlog. Usually I say a lot of stuff, but ooh, dang it. Well, at least I got the flash. I got one lightning bolt on here.
You talked about the hawk, and maybe you talked about this weekend you're gonna be going to the beach. That's pretty exciting.
Yeah, maybe I'll do a vlog there.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Sounds like it's coming from over there now. It's probably ended here. I'm tired anyways.
Yep, me too.
Alright. Turn the camera around. Anyways, guys, just wanted to show you the thunder and lightning storm. I know you guys didn't get to see much, but I did. Saw a lot of it before I started the video. Anyways, guys, the lighting's really bad. I should probably head inside. That's what I'm gonna do. Whoa! Saw that one. Too bad I had the camera facing towards me. Would have been a great shot. That would have come brilliantly on camera. Looks like the clouds are like over us. Almost. Ooh, I can hear that. That is nice. But anyways, guys, I am going to end the video here. But before I do, I am going to have a sip of Coca-Cola. I love Coke so much. Now I'm going to end the vlog here. This is Zach. Oh, let me put my Coke away. This is Zach out.